Hi everyone! In our previous video, we learned what artificial intelligence or AI is and how it works. Today, we are going to learn how to create a Chat GPT account, navigate the platform, understand the different features, and write effective prompts. By the end of this video, you will be able to confidently start using ChatGPT on your own. So let's get started. Step 1. Accessing ChatGPT. Open your internet browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, or Firefox. In the address bar, type chatgpt.com and press enter. This will take you to the ChatGPT homepage. One thing many people don't know is that you can actually try ChatGPT before creating an account. Depending on the features available at the time, you may be able to ask questions without signing in. This is a great way to explore the platform and see how it works. However, creating an account provides additional benefits, such as ChatGPT can save your conversation history. Also, you can have access to additional features, file uploads, and personalization options. For the best experience, I recommend creating a free account. If you already have a ChatGPT account, click on Login. If you don't, click Sign Up for free. You will see several options there, but for this demonstration, I will use an email address. Enter your email address and click Continue. Next, you will need to create a password. Choose a strong password with at least 12 characters, a combination of uppercase letters and lowercase letters. After that, ChatGPT will send a verification code to your email address. Open your email, locate the message from ChatGPT, copy the verification code, and then once your email has been verified, ChatGPT will ask for some basic information such as your name and date of birth. Complete the required fields and click Continue. Congratulations, your account has been created and you are ready to start using ChatGPT. Now let's take a look at the ChatGPT interface. At first, it looks very simple, but there are several important areas you should know. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a text box. This is where you type your questions, requests, and instructions. Everything you type here is called a prompt. A prompt is the information you provide to the AI. On the left side of the screen, you will see your previous conversations. ChatGPT saves your chats so you can return to them later. This is useful if you are working on a project, writing a document, or researching a topic over several days. At the bottom of the screen, you will find a new chat button. Use this whenever you want to start a new topic or keep your conversation organized. Another helpful feature is the ability to upload files and images. Depending on your account, you will see a paperclip or upload button. For example, I'm loading a document. Once it's uploaded, I can ask, what is this document about? ChatGPT quickly analyzes the file and gives me an overview. If don't want to read the entire document, I can ask, summarize this document. Within seconds, ChatGPT provides a concise summary of the most important information. This feature is especially useful for long reports and notes or manuals. Just remember, while ChatGPT can save you time, you should always review the information yourself, especially when it is important or involves critical decisions. By clicking on your profile icon, you can access settings and preference. This is where you can manage your accounts, appearance settings, privacy settings, and subscription information. Now, let's ask our first question in the message box. Type, What is the capital of the United States? Then press enter. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a response. You can ask almost any type of questions, such as what are healthy breakfast ideas? How do I create a budget? Explain photosynthesis in simple terms. Help me write a professional email. The possibilities are almost endless. The quality of the response often depends on the quality of the prompt. Let's look at an example. Prompt number one, write an email. ChatGPT can do that, but if it doesn't have much information, who is the email for? Why are you writing? What tone should it use? The response may be generic. Now let's improve the prompt. Write a professional email to my supervisor requesting one day off next Friday for a family event. Now the AI has a context. As a result, the response is usually much better. When creating prompts, there are four elements that can help you get better results. Task. Tell the AI what you want it to do. Examples. Explain, create, summarize, translate, compare. Context. Provide background information. Example. Instead of explain budgeting, try explain budgeting to someone who has never created a budget before. Audience. Tell the AI who the information is for. Examples, children, adults, students, job seekers, or beginners. Format. Tell the AI how you want the response. Examples, bullet point, table, email, lesson plan, a step-by-step guide. A simple formula can help you create better prompts. Task plus context plus audience plus format. For example, create a one-page guide explaining budgeting to beginners adults using simple language and bullet points. Notice how we told the AI what to do, who it's for, how we want the answer. The more information you provide, the better the result is likely to be. One of the most powerful features of ChatGPT is that you can continue the conversation. For example, you could ask, create a lesson about budgeting. So, ChatGPT will create the lesson about budgeting. Then you may ask, make it simpler. So ChatGPT is going to make the lesson simpler. Then you may ask, translate it into Spanish. So ChatGPT will translate it. Then you may ask, turn into a worksheet. You don't need to start over each time. ChatGPT remember the conversation within the same chat and can build upon previous responses. Many people don't realize this, but you can ask ChatGPT to improve its own answers. For example, make it shorter, make this more professional, use simpler language, give more examples, rewrite this for beginners, turn this into a checklist. These follow up prompts can significantly improve the quality of the response. Before we finish, let's talk about safety. Avoid sharing sensitive personal information such as social security numbers, bank account information, passwords, medical records, confidential company information. Always protect your privacy when using AI tools. And remember, AI can make mistakes. Always verify important information before making decisions. Congratulations, you now know how to access ChatGPT, create an account, navigate the platform, ask your first question, write better prompts, continue conversation, improve responses, use ChatGPT safely. Remember, the secret to getting better results isn't learning complicated technology. The secret is learning how to ask better questions. The more specific your prompt, the more useful the response will be.